USP ka is ka sales uba vivek CM haka shitarik yong arjar pun riu ulo ong ba ka jingkhanra kaba kan peteng halor ki kam khayimet hakal leng kan nong ba Shillong hakaba lathmu banite lang ba kitna sarkar ki babun ulo ong ba on penya ri ki jing penjari kandon an se ki weipat ki benta jong kan nong ba hapadeng ka jingkiu jong ka jing sau khya jing pai ba halo ka jingma ya ka koi ka khya bat ka jing sa phryang kum ki ni ki kam se ki jaka sabriu bat ki jaka mani blai hapapan pau ya kajing ulong ba kania kam omla ban penbe tang da ki bor pulet rei ka dei kamat basngokhia ba dei benta da ki kan hun trei emlang salang ulong balas dang ya kom trei kam ka bai trei lang ka bakan thop iktanat kum ka social welfare bat ka tanat hel khamtam ha bai dei bat ka jingsokhia halo ka jingkiu jong ki ba em bat khnyang HIV ki pulet kan ra ya kania kam shakatanat social welfare ka bala menjur ban ailat ban pennet jingmut hakilat ban bha ya kitu ki bakwa ban mi no nakakam deman dakaba penmi yak jingmaham ka bating USP ulamana ki hotel bat ki ying sawai ba kin noma elat yakum kini ki kam bat on sim ki kandon an ki bating persa ikinong pen an ula pen shairu bakat kum ki kandon jong Supreme Court omla ban kem yakinong trei kam auria hak bot mien halor ki basa kem dangshan wa vivek ulong bola ai jemene ki bat ki leithu baka jingkut lat ka dei ka daw ba ki rung sakani ka jaj kam
The problem which we are having of sex workers is just not a police one, it is a social problem. It concerns livelihood issues. We need to have a concerted effort with other departments, social welfare, health, because there is concern on the growth of HIV. There is also concern on the residential areas and also religious areas where prostitution is being carried out. So these coordinated raids will carry on, but it will extend to other areas also. At this juncture, I would like to urge hotels, guest houses not to entertain such activity. Otherwise, the law will take its own course. We are vigilant about this, and we are vigilant also. We are in the know of which guest houses and hotels are clean and which are not, and thereafter we will clamp down very hard. So we will also take up with social welfare, for which they are also have agreed to rehabilitate some of the sex workers who are willing on skill-based vocations, and we will also involve health. We'll take up with health also to actually see that the spread of HIV does not take place. See, they are for soliciting in public, and also that they for causing nuisance. So they will be compounded by court. That means fine is there, and if they commit the act again, then there will be subsequent compounding, that means paying to court, so that will hit their pockets and all that. And we have seized their vehicles, so it has been made things more difficult, and we will continue to do so.
And when they are released?
This racket, yes, as per the Supreme Court guidelines and all that, we cannot arrest them. We cannot arrest them, especially at night. And then what about the guidelines? We cannot arrest them at night. We cannot arrest them. We have to give them bail. Networks like this, which grew into bigger networks, girls from here could be lured. Once a network is formed, they will have contacts. Then girls get lured because of easy money, but they don't know once they're inside it, it's not easy to come out of it, and also they put themselves in harm's way. Penbor hi bakim kwa bani lagi andre napki circumstances baki yakando ni gijing yakando kimbansi pada kaban gijingdok kimbansi pada ki hawiat antugan ti kimdan ru kata kala nanti ban na kimdan te kibre ban wan Ïarap ye kia dan dekipoi ha tu kapot kan ti ngidi ban pensko thu ba andre ki dan ki lat ti dan ki Lynti ban I come, ban I jump, ban I skill niki, but how can that make things new? That has to be impressed upon them.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la aikan diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya